My journey to independence, and these are the layers. There are 4 layers. The first one is form. The second one is causation. The third one is function. The fourth one is root. The first layer is all about what I did, and or what I did good or what I did bad. So I practice gymnastics every day. Second layer was why I did that, because I wanted to go and it was fun. The third layer, what I needed and how. So the equipment and gymnastics room. And the fourth layer is who had the responsibility to do it. So it was me. And I think that it went pretty well with my journey to independence, because I most of the time I remember to go to gymnastics, but somewhere here it goes down and then it goes up again, but then it goes down. So and I also needed to have reminders to remind myself. For example, I needed to stop reading my book, so I needed to remind me to not be busy, not to be busy. And